Hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to game share on ps3. So game sharing on ps3 is the act of sharing your PlayStation account and information with your friends so that you can download and play the games that your friends have already purchased. So game sharing requires you to sign out of your PSN account and then log in with your friends' PSN information. So the basic steps to do it are as follows. So first you have to ask a friend for their PSN login credentials and account details. You must log into your PS3 console using a friend's PSN information so that you can access the games they have downloaded. Then power on your PlayStation 3 and sign in to your personal PSN account. Select PSN, then select account management. Select system activation, then system ps3. Select game, then select deactivate system. This deactivates your PS3 console from your personal PSN account. Press the back button to return to the PS3 main menu and then select user. Select create new user, then enter your friend's PSN login credentials. You will be now signed in to your PS3 console as your friend. Select PSN, then go to account management. Select system activation, then select PS3 system. Select game, then select activate system. This activates your friend's PS3 account on your PS3 console. Press the back button to return to the PSN menu. Select transaction management, then select downloaded list. This displays a list of all the games your friends have downloaded. Navigate the game you want to download to your console and select download. The game will now be downloaded to your PlayStation 3. So these are the steps that you must follow to download and to game share on PS3. So there are some questions some people have, so I'm going to go through them. So the most common question is the people ask is that if they download the game from their friend, can they go back to their account, or they have to stay on their friend's account? So the basic, it is a very normal question. Everyone has that. So you can go to your account, but you have to keep their account on your system. Then people have these questions about game sharing a particular game. So actually you can game share any game, but some games like Last of Us want the account details. So if the person buys it, only that person and account can play. So you have to log into your friend's account to play it. You can't play it on your own account. So how do you reactivate your account on PS3? So go to PSN and then system management. Then go to system activation and then activate system. So it is also a very important thing that if you download the game, the DLCs sometimes don't download. So you have to download the DLCs. So guys, that's all for it. If you like the video, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel.